I'm calling this one the Stoner Burger. Slight bit of prep work here, not much, just a little bit. We got one poblano pepper here. And we're just gonna open these jokers up, get out those seeds. Just getting some of these, this little white membrane off here. So I'm just gonna cut these in like half rounds. Alright, that looks pretty good right there. So moving on to the next step here, I got one onion and we are going to slice this super thin. That's kind of the key to these onions here for this burger. Now I have a mandolin and I have it pretty much on the smallest setting that I can slice with. And I'm going to show you exactly what we're looking for here. Hopefully you can see that, but you can almost see through these. You can almost see through these onions. And that's exactly what you want. Now, if you were a skilled knife person, then you might could do this by hand, but frankly, I'm not that skilled. So I'm using the Cuisinart 360 today. First thing we're going to do is add our poblano here to the grill. Add a little bit more oil on top here. Hit it with a little salt, a little black pepper. Now this is really not going to be part of the burger, it's just going to be our side here, but every stoner out there needs some kind of a potato to go along with their burger. So the reason why I'm calling this the Stoner Burger is because I was just thinking that this burger reminds me of like this stoner guy that just had the hellacious munchies and then just went into his refrigerator and his cabinets and just threw a whole bunch of stuff together and come up with this burger. So think of this burger like the Oklahoma onion burger and the San Antonio burger. If those two got together and made a baby, this would be the result of that. So it's kind of a cross between the two with my little own spin here. But I'm telling you, I made it 2 days ago and there's something about it, it just works. So when you see things on it, it's going to be a little odd, but trust me on this, it's going to be good, guys. All right, let's take these poblanos off. Hash browns are looking, let's see. Oh yeah, hash browns are looking on point. Let's go ahead and get those off. All right, I got 2 4-ounce patties, 80-20. I'm gonna put those on like that. We're gonna season them with a little salt and pepper first before we smash them. All right. Next up, and this is where the Oklahoma version of this burger comes into play. You know, just put those onions on there, just like so. Then we're going to smash these jokers for about 10 seconds. Probably help if you use a piece of paper to go on there. Alright, I think it's about time to give these little jokers a flip. Not bad. Alright, things are going to go quick from here. Alright, this is going to be a double, so what you do is you take your bun, you open it up, place it just like that, one down like that, and I kind of just move it off to the side. It's going to steam that bun. Again, this is going to go super quick here. I mean, we're only looking, you know, 30 seconds maybe. Just want to remove these so we can build this burger. I got to switch camera angles. Alright, let's build this bad boy. I'm telling you, don't freak out, guys. This is so delicious. My wife even had one and she loved it. Alright, so first thing, Fritos. I'm trying to do this quick. First patty. Now poblano. We like a lot of poblano on there. Next patty. Get on there, little badger. Okay, alright, alright. Alright, now, here we go, the kicker. Refried beans. And I love, it's best to make homemade beans. If you don't feel like making homemade beans, I'm going to leave a link in the description to some beans. They're not canned beans. You rehydrate these beans. They're from Santa Fe Bean Company. Been using Santa Fe Bean Company for years because I do a lot of backpacking, and that's my go-to beans. All right, lastly, nacho cheese on top. Then we crown it. Then smash our face in it. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're about ready to give this a go real quick. Here we go. Wow. Flavor explosion in your mouth right there, guys. You gotta give this burger a go. I know it is weird, but somehow it just works. You have the crunch of the Fritos. You have that cheese, that meltiness cheese, and then like it doesn't even need mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup. Somehow the beans and that cheese gives it a lot of moisture. Plus the burgers are really juicy. Give it a go, guys. All right, guys. The Stoner Burger on your Cuisinart 360. Do it.